City of Los Angeles 911, operator 921.
Hi, I'd like to report a domestic violence.
To what address?
22 Wall Street.
House or apartment?
Apartment.
What unit?
Number.
Okay. What do you see or hear?
Okay, I heard shouting and banging, and then when I went outside to check, the boyfriend of my sister, she lives in an apartment. The boyfriend, he was hitting her. He dragged her down the stairs, and she tried to kick him out, but he's threatening her that he's gonna kill her, and he's banging on the door right now. He's banging and banging, and he says he's gonna break it down and do something to her.
She's inside of the unit?
Yes, and he's banging on the door trying to get in.
Okay. What's his name, and is he white, black, Hispanic, or Asian?
He's Hispanic. His name is Rosendo.
Rosendo?
I don't know his last name, but that's his name, Rosendo.
Okay. How old is he?
He's around 28 years old.
What color clothing is he wearing?
Gray shirt, gray shorts.
Gray shorts. Do we need a code to get inside the building?
No, he's not supposed to be in there at all.
Hold on a second. Does she have a restraining order against him?
I'm not sure about that.
Okay, hold on. Let me let the officers know. 1 sec.
Okay.
What's going on? Can you do me a favor? How are you doing?
All right, and you?
Good.
What's going on today? No argument or anything?
Nah, ain't no argument.
No?
Nope.
What's your name?
They call me Rosendo.
Rosendo? All right.
You gonna get in an argument with somebody?
Nah, I ain't got no argument. I'm right here by myself.
Where do you live?
I'm homeless.
You're homeless?
Yeah.
So why are you staying right here right now?
Because this is my neighborhood.
Okay. All right.
This is all I got.
All right. Well, listen. People don't like you blasting the music right here and making this kind of noise.
All right, man.
All right. I have to just search you because that's part of my job. All right. Do me a favor. Yeah, just go turn around for me. Turn around. No, get your hands out of your pocket. It's cool.
He's right there.
I got it. Just turn around for me. All right.
Hey, be careful with my hand, yeah?
Which one, right one or left?
Yeah, this one right here. Right. This one. The one you got my blood on.
All right.
All right. Let me PR so they want to move the
Yeah.
Door knock. LAPD. LAPD. Hi, LAPD. Okay, they can bring them around the corner so they want to come out. Just have them drinking in here. The PR didn't want to use it. PR is a third party. Yeah, they don't want to. This thing died or? I think he turned it off. No. PR doesn't wish to meet. He's trying to get further right now. Run him real quick. Hey, Rosendo.
Yeah.
We'll just grab your stuff right here. I'm gonna put your driver.
I'll be on my way.
All right. I'm putting your driver license back inside your wallet. And it's on top of your cell phone. All right, Rosendo, grab your stuff.
He's in here, right?
Yeah, I check right now. I just put it.
Okay.
I'd rather you check, verify that everything's there. We're good? Okay, but... Oh, okay. Oh, that's an exit? Okay, thanks, guys.
LA City 911, operator 918. What is the address of your emergency?
22 Wall Street.
Okay, what's going on there?
I just recently called like 10 minutes ago.
Okay, what was this regarding?
Domestic violence.
Is this regarding your boyfriend or your girlfriend?
It's the boyfriend of my sister. She came back and he started to burn down her apartment, and he started to make his way through.
He's there right now?
Yes, he came back to the building.
They didn't arrest him?
No, they let him go because I guess he didn't have weapons.
All right, give me 1 second, okay?
67. Yes.
What is he doing right now?
Right now, I think he's inside her apartment because he broke down the door.
Right now?
He broke down the knobs.
Okay.
Yes, he came back.
Give me 1 second.
Where's your house? He's inside?
Right now? Is anybody else in there?
Oh, is your house the left or the right?
The left.
And it's 2 stories?
Yes.
Rosendo!
He says that he's threatening order the whole apartment. He put him to burn our whole apartment all over the building.
Is he your family?
No,
How do you know him?
because of his dad.
What about his dad?
We know his dad.
How do you know it's that?
My aunt. He's going out with him.
He's your cousin? Oh, your aunt's dating him?
Yeah.
Okay, Rosendo!
Just be careful because he's gonna.
It's LAPD!
He thinks I called it for it. I don't know for sure.
Come on.
Stop!
Hey, put the lighter down. Come on.
Fuck you!
He has fire all over.
You have 2 options. This house is surrounded with nothing but gas fluids.
You're fucking
Either you
stupid.
fucking approach me, I will light this motherfucker up.
You already fucking done. You already done it. Shut the fuck up already. You dumb shit.
Rosendo, stop that.
Fuck you and fuck them too.
You got a knife in his hand.
Yeah, alright.
Stop. What the fuck you gonna do about it?
Rosendo, back up! Rosendo, back up!
Shoot!
Back up, Rosendo! Stop it! Drop the knife!
Shoot!
Drop the knife!
Shoot!
Drop the knife! Drop the knife! Put the knife down! Drop the knife! Drop the knife!
Put the knife
Drop the
down!
knife, Rosendo!
Hey, partner, come over here behind me. Put the knife down!
Put the knife down, Rosendo! Move out of the way! Move out of the way! Move back!
still has the knife. He still has the knife.
He still has that knife. Hey, drop the knife.
Drop the knife, Rosendo! Drop the knife!
I pulled one out of request for an RA. I didn't hear that come back.
Roger. Do you have a description for this, the patient? No, Hispanic, roughly 20 years old.
Stay back. Stay back.
Roger, I tried to Wall Street.
Rosendo, back up! Just back up, Rosendo! Stop!
Put it down! Shoot! Put it down! Shoot!
Put the knife down.
Drop the knife! Get down!
Shot fired. Opposite 10.